In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to print and get your EasyJet boarding pass online on your smartphone device. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your smartphone device like you usually would. Then from here, you'll need to open up your App Store or Google Play account and log into it. From here, you can see the search bar up here, and here you'll click in EasyJet right here. As you can see now, you'll see the EasyJet travel app right here, and you'll just need to install it like so and open it up. From here you can see that it will open up like so. From here you can either sign in or log into your account, but you can also do this as a guest. From here you'll need to go down to trips and go up to add a booking. From here you'll see the booking reference and the last name that you used to buy this trip. Once you've written in both of these information, you'll need to click Add Booking Now. From here, you'll have access to book yourself into the airport, and you'll get your boarding pass directly on your smartphone device. And that's about it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!